Okay, I'll lift this up. Is that okay?
Yep, that's fine.
Yeah. So school and work, or just work?
Just work for right now. School was like not the best for me last semester because of the online learning. So
Yeah, no kidding.
yeah, just working.
Yeah, it's pretty much just this whole muscle. It's
Yeah,
just like a taut
constantly.
rope kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And if any of this pressure is too much, just let me know.
Alright.
That kind of feels like, is that a little tender?
Yeah.
I'm like wincing as I'm pushing on it. Okay.
It's off.
Okay, can you go on your side facing me, please?
Yeah.
Okay. Grab your bicep right here, okay? Yep. She's been adjusted a bunch of times. She knows the setup position very well. Yep. Good. All right, other side, please. All right, so move forward towards the edge a bit. Yeah, that's good. Here. Okay, my hand here. Yep. Good. And can you go seated, please?
Yep.
Okay, swing your legs up onto the table.
Oh.
And yep, and can you fold your arms? And just cup your shoulders a little higher. Looks good there. Keep the grip tight. Relax the arms. Relax, relax, relax. Good. Any discomfort with that pressure?
No.
Okay. Slouch a little bit. Relax. Yep. Yep. Good. Okay. Deep breath in. Let it out. Good. And come on up again. Yeah. Okay, this time, give yourself a big hug this way. Yeah, good. Okay, keep the grip tight. Relax the arms. Okay, deep breath in. Let it out. Good. And can you do like a mini crunch?
Yeah.
Yep, you can lie back. Alright, scooch up just like a quick lunge. Yeah, that's fine. Thank you. Okay, any tenderness in here? Or?
Yeah, on the left side, definitely. Yeah.
Okay. So, head to the side. Rotate. Good. Same thing the other side. Okay, Yep, nice and loose and relaxed. You're in a good spot here. Good. Okay, you're all set, Talia.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.